All right, we're here at Modern Mercedes Repair Specialist. And where are we? Dallas, Texas?
Yeah.
Dallas.
Yeah.
All right, let's go look at the cars. All right, we can say, all right, this is a CL600, right? Nice looking car, right? It's got the 6.3, which is actually what? This is a 6.2. Remember, just like our car, right? And we have a wagon, E-Class wagon. I don't know. And then we have SL65, right? So that's cool. Then this is the SLK, right? SLK, I don't know what version it is. This is, I don't know, what is this, an E-Class or a C-Class? And then that's another CLK, and then here's our car, right? The CL600. So this is a pretty cool looking car. This is it looks like they did a lot of work to it. Oh, it does look like a black series. You can tell because of the little shifter, right? Look at that, nice supercharger, right? That's a supercharger. Then here's our car, big monster M275. And then we got an Audi here. That's cool. If that's what you're into, if you're into Audis. Isn't it cool? Yeah. And you got a lifted G-Wagon, right? Yeah, all right. Yeah, very cool. This is another AMG, a bi-turbo, another twin turbo. This CL55, I don't know what the story is. Must be getting work done, but it's a sharp looking car. But it's got spider webs on it. We gotta talk to them about this. Maybe they want to sell it. Right? We would buy it. And then, there's another SL. Then I think that's an AMG GT, right? And another SL, or is that the SLS? Probably, SLK. Look, it's a Mini. Yeah. Perfect for the dogs, yeah. Yeah, it's very cool, very cool.